guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve a copper cut crease using the Morphe 3502 palette. If you guys would like to see how I recreate this eye look, then go ahead and please keep on watching. And if you guys are new to my channel, I would love for you guys to stick around by subscribing and make sure to hit the little bell icon next to subscribe. That way you guys can always be notified every single time that I upload a new video. And let's go ahead and jump straight into this video. Alright, to start off this look, I'm going to be taking this color in the top left corner. It's like a light orange, and I'm going to be taking this on a Morphe M433. I'm just taking windshield wiper motions, and I'm just applying this directly in my crease. And I am building the color up towards my brow. And I like to start off with little product, and then I just like to build the color as I go, just to make sure that everything looks nice and blended. Okay, so once I'm done blending that out, I'm going to be taking this third shade right here, which is just a deeper color than our first transition shade. And I'm just going to be using the same Morphe M433. After that, we're just going to be taking the color right next to it, which is a deeper orange, and I'm going to be applying that with the same exact brush. Again, I am just building that color up, that way you can see a clear transition between each color that we take in between steps. So I'm applying this directly below the second shade that we just applied. Okay, so after I'm all done blending that out, I'm going to be taking this brick shade right here. This is towards the end of the palette, and I'm going to be using this on a Morphe M411. And I'm just going to be using this color to deepen up my crease and just to give me a little bit more dimension. I'm bringing that towards the inner corner. Once I'm done blending that in, I'm just going to be taking a clean brush and blending out the edges, making sure that everything is fully blended. So now for the cut crease, I'm just going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape and this Real Techniques kind of flat shader brush. You can just use anything synthetic and has a rounded or flat edge to help cut out the crease. Taking it up into my crease. You don't have to be too perfect with this step because we are going to be covering it up after we're done. By laying down a concealer before you go in with like a shimmer or a foiled eyeshadow, this is just going to help enhance the color. Okay, so your cut crease should be looking something like this. Like I said, you don't have to perfect it too much because we are going to be going over it with a foiled eyeshadow. Okay, so for the center of the lid, I'm going to be taking this copper color right here, and I'm going to be taking this on a flat shader brush. I'm going to make sure that you're packing this color on because you will have a lot of fallout, and you want to make sure that you're bringing that color up to your crease. You want to make sure that you're covering up any concealer that you previously put down. Now I'm just going to be taking this kind of chocolate brown here on a Morphe M411. And I'm just going to be using this on the outer corner and the inner corner. And then I'm just going to be blending that also into my transition in my crease. And as you can see, I'm just building color to add more dimension. Using circular motions up towards the crease, making sure that you're getting the edges towards the tail of your brow. Okay, so once I have that fully blended out, I'm going to go ahead and repeat all of the same colors on the lower lash line. I'm also going to go ahead and finish my other eye off camera and apply lashes, and I will be right back. Okay, so I put on my favorite lashes. These are the Lilly lashes in Mykonos. I'm going to go ahead and highlight the inner corner and brow bone. I am going to be using a different palette because the 3502 does not have any highlighting shades. So I'm going to be taking my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be using this highlighting shade right here. And I'm just going to be using a flat shader brush to apply this to my brow bone. I'm just going to go over top of that with the Morphe liquid lipstick, and this is in Peanut. This is definitely one of my favorite liquid lipstick formulas. It lasts all day. So this is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That way I know you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you all in my next video.